Next, what are some test formats for testing grammar in terms of performance? One of the activities that can be done to test performance is sentences from pictures. You can give the students a sheet of pictures and ask them to come out with sentences from the pictures or ask them to tell a story. And there must be enough grammar knowledge for the students to construct those sentences. And this will test on accuracy.
Another type of performance test is memory test. You can give them a picture and give them a limited time to look at the picture. This picture can be either shown through a poster or a projector, and then after the time is up, you remove the picture and then ask them to describe the picture without seeing it. So you could ask them to focus while they are looking at the picture. You can ask them to focus on the activities or on the people. All right. So that would give them a little sense of focus before they start describing the picture. This would test students' ability to construct sentences. However, you are not asking them to construct sentences, but you would say, describe the picture. And what they are going to do is actually to construct the sentence. This would test on accuracy, and there will be a transformation of students' sentences. Picture dictation is a type of performance test. This is where you ask students to work in a group or as a class. You call up one student to look at the picture, you give the picture to that student, and ask them to describe to the rest of the group or rest of the class. So, students would then try to imagine what was being said, and they would either write or draw what is being said. So, this will test if the student can make sentences, which will help them to communicate well, right? This is also to test on accuracy. What's a strip story? This is where you have a whole story, a passage, written sentence by sentence, and you strip them off with each sentence in one strip. All right. For example, you have them printed on a piece of paper, and then you cut them off as what is shown in the picture, and then ask and put them in random order, and then ask them to find the appropriate order and resolve the problem of the story. So this will see if students can find the time order from the tenses of the sentences to put them in the correct organized way. This will also test them on accuracy. So, how do you use role play to test grammar? Now, you can ask the students to role play in a limited situation, and through the acting, it can test students' ability of thinking of the lines, which may contain different tenses, different parts of speech. Thus, it helps to demonstrate the ability of the performance of the language. So, this will also test the students' accuracy.